So let's shift to the next question. Really is let's talk about TraCert as your company. Now, we know why you would address these things. Tell me what it is that what is TraCert, and what are you doing to basically help people that are in these challenges and in these problems?
As I was telling you about my strive for innovation, that was one of the things I really been waiting for. I thought somebody has to do something about that paper world in aerospace, and there has to be a solution out there. But I found out, well, actually there wasn't. So I took the opportunity of being an entrepreneur myself. I took the opportunity and started this company, TraCert, in Estonia. I choose Estonia, which is in the farthest north of Europe, because Estonia is a diamond of digitalization. This whole country is digital. We have such a high knowledge about digitalization there. It's incredible. So I started the company, and this company has its capital, his base in the capital of Estonia, in Tallinn. And we developed this solution with a lot of really high-level engineers, with a lot of people who come from the aerospace industry, who know the requirements really well, but also know the reality of the supply chain and so on, And we developed this solution, which is a highly integratable solution as for the small companies and for the end user. So it's between the little shop down the road and Boeing or Airbus at the end.
Now, I'm starting to understand really the functionality and the business problem that you're trying to solve.